Unlock the power of search in any note-taking app.
Whether you use OneNote, Evernote, Notion, or any other app, mastering search transforms your note-taking experience. In this video, we'll share universal strategies to quickly locate information, streamline your workflow, and never lose track of your ideas again.
Start simple. Use precise keywords.
The simplest way to boost your searches is by choosing the right keywords. Instead of typing whole sentences, focus on unique words, topics, or phrases you remember from your note. Most apps scan the entire text, so even fragments can bring up what you need. Refine your results by removing unnecessary or common words.
Take advantage of filters and tags.
Filters and tags can be your best friends when searching through large collections of notes. Many apps let you filter by date, notebook, tag, or even file type. Tag your notes with relevant labels as you create them, so future searches become faster and more accurate.
Use advanced search features.
Many note-taking apps support advanced search tricks. You can use quotation marks to find exact phrases, minus symbols to exclude words, and wildcards for flexible matches. Explore your app's search help or documentation to discover shortcuts and commands that give you even more control.
Organize for easier searches.
Good organization now means faster searches later. Arrange notes into notebooks, folders, or projects. Regularly review and clean up your collection. Clear naming conventions and structured content make it easier for search to deliver precise results every time.
Quick recap. Search like a pro.
To master search in any note-taking app, use targeted keywords, leverage filters and tags, try advanced search options, and keep your notes organized. With these universal strategies, finding your notes becomes quick and effortless, no matter which platform you prefer.